Mitsis Ramira Beach Hotel is a luxurious 5-star ultra all-inclusive resort nestled on a Blue Flag-awarded sandy beach in Psalidi, Kos, Greece, offering stunning Aegean Sea views amid lush gardens. This family-oriented haven, blending modern elegance with Mediterranean charm, sits just 3.5 kilometers from Kos Town and 27 kilometers from the airport, ideal for couples or families blending beach relaxation with easy access to archaeological sites and nightlife. The 338 spacious rooms and suites feature contemporary decor with air conditioning, flat-screen TVs, Nespresso machines, minibars, safes, and private balconies, many boasting sea views or private pools. Family options include partitioned spaces with sofa beds. All are praised for cleanliness and comfort, though some feel dated. The resort's beachfront allure includes direct sea access and pools for lounging, complemented by a spa for rejuvenating treatments. Dining excels with a main buffet showcasing international and Greek show cooking, plus a la carte options like Italian and meat specialties, a creperie gelateria, and multiple bars for premium drinks and cocktails, all available 24/7. Breakfast buffet impress with fresh variety, including pastries and eggs. Activities revolve around beach relaxation, evening entertainment with live shows, and excursions to nearby Kos Town or ancient ruins. Pros include exceptionally friendly and attentive staff who go above and beyond, spotless cleanliness throughout, diverse and high-quality food, beautiful beach with ample sunbeds, and great value for all-inclusive luxury fostering memorable family stays. However, some rooms and facilities need updates, dated decor and maintenance lapses like low water pressure. Queues form at peak times for restaurants and bars, cold pool water disappoints, food can be inconsistent, salty or overdone, and occasional noise from entertainment or thin walls disrupts sleep. Overall, Mitsis Ramira Beach Hotel delivers a vibrant, welcoming Greek island retreat blending comfort and seaside bliss.